welcome back to my channel guys. And today here I have got you a nice DIY deep conditioning hair mask for you all guys. And if this topic interests you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If your hair are dry, frizzy because of the pollution, because of the dirt, because of the chemical treatment, so I have got you a nice deep conditioning hair mask which will make your hair soft and your hair will be shiny, soft, very nice texture. It's a very easy hair mask with the easy ingredients which you will get easily at your home. So let's get started. Let me show you my hair. Look this. They have become so dry, so frizzy, especially at the ends. See this. Look at this. Our hair is dry, especially at the ends. Many times because of the pollution, many times we don't get time to take care of our hair. Many times we skip our conditioner, and there are so many reasons. So here I have got you a nice hair mask. So let's get started. For this mask we need 3 spoons of curd. Make sure you do not take very cold curd. Next we need 2 spoons of coconut oil. Here you can take olive oil also. Next we need 1 spoon of honey. And lastly we need 2 capsules of vitamin E capsules. Either you puncture it or cut it. I am making a small cut and pour it into a spoon, or you can pour it directly into the bowl. This will nourish your hair. After putting all the ingredients, mix it thoroughly. This mask will repair your hair and will make your hair shiny and strong. This mask helps in dandruff also. Before applying mask, I will show you my hair. See this. They have become so dry and they are so dull right now because of all the treatments I have done to my hair. Look at the ends. Especially the ends are very frizzy. Now our mask is ready. So let's start the process. First I am going to apply on my scalp. So I will do middle partition. I will directly apply with my hand only. If you are comfortable with brush, you can apply it with your brush also. Make side by side partitions, turn by turn, and apply the mask on it. After the front section is done, I will apply to my back section and massage for 5 minutes. Massage your hair very gently. After my scalp is done, I will apply all the remaining mask to my hair, especially towards the ends. Apply to all over your hair very nicely. I am done with my mask and we need to keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can wash with plain water or with a very mild shampoo. Let me show you the final result. And here they are. See, they look so shiny and they look so polished and so manageable. All the dryness and dullness has gone in just one application. Let me show you my hair from the back side. Look at this, my curls are looking so nice and I have not applied any leave-on conditioner or any serum. This mask instantly repairs your damaged hair and my hair have become so soft, so manageable. They are looking so good. And look at these ends. All the frizz has gone. So friends, did you see the instant results of this deep conditioning mask? Do try it by yourself and let me know in the comment section how did you find on your hair. How did it affect your hair? And next, which video you want me to do? Let me know in the comment section. If you liked this my DIY tutorial, If you like this my DIY deep conditioning mask, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please share my video. Do follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye bye.